lecture we are going to discuss Booth's multiplication algorithm. In the previous lecture we have discussed the simple multiplication algorithm. Now what happens in Booth multiplication algorithm? Booth gives a procedure for multiplying binary integer in signed 2's complement representation. So it operates on the basis of that strings of zeros in the multiplier require no addition but just shifting, and use where we have to multiply the signed numbers that are represented in 2's complement form. So what happens in Booth multiplication algorithm? It requires examination of the multiplier bits and shifting of the partial product prior to the shifting of the multiplicand added to the partial product, subtracted from the partial product, or left unchanged according to the following rules. Now what are the rules to perform the Booth multiplication algorithm? The first rule is the multiplicand is subtracted from the partial product. Now you can see here that BR is the multiplicand here. So here AC is being added to the 2's complement of BR. That means here subtraction operation is being performed. So the multiplicand, that is BR, is to be subtracted from the partial product. Now partial product means that is stored in the AC register. So this algorithm is similar to the previous multiplication algorithm, except the register A, B and Q are here named as AC register, BR register and QR register. One more additional flip-flop is being used here, that is QN plus 1. Here double bit inspection will be done. The last bit in the multiplier and QN plus 1, both the bits will be checked from the multiplication operation. We discuss the hardware implementation. So what is in the hardware implementation of Booth multiplication algorithm? Here it is a BR register. BR register is a register that is holding the sign and magnitude both of the multiplicand. So BR register is storing the multiplicand. Second is complementer and parallel adder. The complementer and parallel adder are used to perform the operations for subtraction and addition. Third is AC register. AC register here is accumulator register that is used to store the partial product result. And next is QR register. QR register is used to hold the value of multiplier. Now here this rightmost bit is called as QN, and this flip-flop is used to compare with this rightmost bit of the multiplier. Means double inspection will be done here in this Booth multiplication algorithm. So last component is sequence counter. Sequence counter will be, the value of sequence counter will be equal to the number of bits in the multiplier. Suppose the value of the multiplier is 10011. That means the number of bits in the multiplier are 5. So the sequence counter value will also be equal to 5. In binary it is 101. So this is the flowchart for the Booth multiplication algorithm. What is happening here? Initially this is a multiply operation. Multiplicand is stored in BR register. Multiplier will be stored in QR register. Then the content of AC will be cleared to 0. The content of QN plus 1 will be 0 at the initial step, and the N will be shifted to the sequence counter. Here N is equal to the number of bits in the multiplier. After that QN and QN plus 1 will be checked. The bits present at the last position of multiplier and QN plus 1 both are checked. If QN is 0 and QN plus 1 is equal to 1, then the partial product and the multiplicand will be added and the result will be stored in AC register. After that, arithmetic shift right operation on register AC and QR will be performed and the sequence counter will get decrement by 1. So after that, sequence counter will be checked. If the value of sequence counter is 0, then the process will end. That means multiplication is completed. But if the sequence counter value is not equal to 0, then this comparison of QN and QN plus 1. So now here in the second step, if the value of QN is 1 and the value of QN plus 1 is 0, then what will be done? Then the partial product and the multiplicand will be subtracted and the partial product result will get stored in AC register. After that, arithmetic shift right operation will be performed on the content of AC and QR and sequence counter will get decrement by 1. Now here there is third case also. When the value of Qn and Qn plus 1 is 0 0, or it is 1 1, that means both the values are same, then no addition operation will be performed and no subtraction will be performed. Simply the content will be shifted by the arithmetic shift right operation. So this is all about the Booth's multiplication algorithm.